There is no scientific or no result that tells us there is a person who is born with an inclination of being a lesbian or homosexual. That being so, it means that this is something that is a deliberate choice for a person. We respect the freedom of that person and the rights of that person, as long as it is within the legal right and in the constitution of our country, in the laws of our country. At the same time, I am a pastor. Biblically speaking, that kind of relationship is an abomination, and it is written in the Bible. Surely, I think anything that is right, especially in relationships, should be a relationship that is able to produce something. A relationship between a man and a man, what does it produce? Can it propagate for progression of a society? Or would it be the one that will bring our world to an extinction? So I believe that this relationship between the man and the woman and the woman, we need to rethink about it, because culturally, religious, legal, in this country, it has no place. And for that reason, I pronounce myself on that one, and for record, I think it's a wrong relationship.